In consumer news now this afternoon, inflation unexpectedly picked up in January. Today, the Commerce Department reported a 5.4% annual rise for the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index. A lot of words there. What really matters is the Federal Reserve looks at that number in particular to measure prices for goods and services that exclude food and energy, because those are pretty volatile. Economists had been expecting the number to land at a little more than 4%. Again, it was up over 5%, and they were hoping that it would extend what was a 3-month stretch of prices cooling off. Didn't happen in January, though. The markets did not react well to that latest inflation report, closing out the worst week since early December. It's just been nasty for investments and 401k and all of that. Here's how the three indices fared on this Friday. Wasn't pretty. On top of inflation, the job market and spending by shoppers have come in hotter than expected too, and that has forced Wall Street to raise its forecasts for how high the Federal Reserve will have to take interest rates to slow this economy down. Shares of Domino's Pizza are dropping following persistent problems with deliveries. Stock for the pizza chain plunged about 11% just on Thursday. That's because deliveries were down in the fourth quarter, caused by sluggish sales and a shortage of drivers. And with inflation still high, customers might think that delivery fees right now just aren't worth paying. Credit Summit says there's at least $21 billion worth of unused or lost gift cards hanging around the U.S. Check your wallets, your pockets, those drawers around your house. You may have some of these. If you do have one that's just sitting there, you're not alone. Gift cards don't expire, though, until at least 5 years from the date they are activated. But here in Texas, it can be tricky with that expiration date, so spend them if you got them. I've actually done a couple of Right on the Money pieces about this, one of them recently, and I issued the warning for Texans about this. They may lose value even before the expiration date. It sounds backward, but it's the way it is here in Texas. Your gift cards could disappear right beneath your eyes. So you can find that report at WFAA.com. You can also scroll through my social media platforms at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook and Twitter. I just did these not long ago. But I have the easiest way of all for you. You can text the word gift to us right now, and we'll send you a gift. And we'll send that link right to your phone. Just text the word gift to us, 214-977-6028. You really should read about this, just in case you have some of those old cards.